Okay friends, just open settings application, then select connected devices, then select smart view. Okay, then you can tap on three dots, select settings, and here is the settings, set aspect ratio. Okay, currently I'm not connected to any wireless devices for casting the screen, so I can use these functions now. But if you connect to any wireless monitor or TV or anything, you can access the settings and you can change the aspect ratio. So that's very useful function because of some devices support landscape in 1920, or some monitors or almost all TVs are supports the normal version, but some kind of monitors does not support that correct version. So you can simply adjust the screen aspect ratio to view better video quality. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.